#SaveToday. We are still in time to save a lot of unloved or unwanted furniture. Go around your house, your parents' house, your grandparents' house, and see what pieces of furniture they would throw away and just take them. And think about how you can upstyle and relove these pieces to fit at your own house. What we are suggesting here is not having an old piece of furniture and making it look like an old piece of furniture, but basically to restore it and redecorate it to blend with your style. It can be contemporary style, it can be industrial style. Well, there's so many styles that nowadays we're happy to have around our house that a small piece of furniture might blend in, or perhaps you want to do a statement piece. Use the #SaveToday on any piece you have chosen to upcycle and share it with us on our social media platforms. Thank you.